Hello friends, Ganesh here from HowToThing, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing of POCO X2. So this is the POCO X2 which I have purchased from an offline store in Hyderabad, and they have charged me around 19,200 rupees, which is like 700 rupees from extra from the online price. And this is the box packaging of the POCO X2, as you can see on the screen. And on the back we can see the specifications mentioned, that is it has a 6.67 inch display with Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 chipset, and is powered by 4500 mAh battery. So let me just unbox it and show you what comes in the package. And over here you can see the branding details and the net content in the box, and you can see the MRP is 19,999. So let us set up the device. So as you can see on the screen, it comes with MIUI 11 out of the box. So let us As you can see on the screen, the device is ready for use, and it comes with few bloatware applications pre-installed and few games like booking.com, block IP, bubble trouble, bubble shooter. So let me go to settings and show you the device configuration. As you can see, this is the POCO X2 smartphone, and it comes with MIUI 11.4.10 MIUI version and runs on Android 10. Let's check the storage. The device comes with 128 gigs, and out of which we have 110.57 GB of space available, where the rest of the space is consumed by the operating system and the applications installed, that is like apps are taking around 1.5 GB, and there are plenty bloatware, so that's consuming around 2.8 GB, and the system storage is around 13.3 GB. Overall, it's a good smartphone. I'll be doing the gaming video of this smartphone later on, and I'll be reviewing the device. Hope you guys like this video. Hit the thumbs up button if you like it, and stay subscribed. Thank you.